Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect thumbnail for YouTube content. Go to this website canva.com. Here click on start designing a YouTube thumbnail. Here on canva.com you will find a lot of the great thumbnails and ideas on YouTube thumbnails. So let's say this one or this one. This one is really great, and what is really great is that every image is in high quality, but there is always but. For some of the thumbnails you need to use a pro version, like this one. I can't use this because I don't have a pro. This thumbnail here I did create based on one of the thumbnails here from the canvas. So here in the search I will type money, and here you have a lot of the suggestions, and I did find this one. So I'm gonna try to replicate this one in the Photoshop. So let's start. So you can see it's kind of similar to this one. Okay, now if you want to use this one and you don't want a pro version, you can just open a Photoshop and click on create. I'm gonna choose a new layer here and I'm gonna paint it. The color, it doesn't matter. Double click on this one and select gradient overlay, and here just choose two colors that will fit nicely. Okay, we already have a background for the thumbnail. So now the next step is to put the money on the thumbnail. So I'm gonna type money PNG, hit the enter, go to the pictures. Now you can look for any PNG that you want. You need to know that most of the image will not be in the PNG format. So let's say open this one, open image in the new tab, right click save image on the desktop, and you can see that it is JPG format. But anyway, I'm gonna save this, drag to the Photoshop, and now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna select the white background here, and I will just delete the background. Okay, now let's resize this. Okay, that's great. Let's go back to this thumbnail here. I'm gonna close this. Okay, the next step is to add some text and some background text. So let's start in the Photoshop. I will just select this one, make a new layer. I'm gonna paint it in the white. Okay, now I'm gonna add a text. Okay, after the text I'm gonna edit the white box or white background, so just give me a few seconds. I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna make selection of this, and now what I'm going to do, I will select the layer 2 and hold Control button, press J. Okay, right click, select pixels, select layer 2. I'm gonna hit the erase button. Okay, there you go. Okay, the next step, instead of this guy here, I'm gonna find a YouTube logo. So here just do the same, type YouTube PNG. I'm gonna use the first one, right click, open image in the new tab, right click save image, and then just drag this to the Photoshop, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna select the pixels. I will just delete the background, right click. Okay, double click and select outer glow, and then choose your favorite color. I'm gonna use the white, of course, or you can use the black, maybe not. Okay, white. Now what we can do else, we can add some more images like $PNG, and you can use this symbol here, open image in new tab, save image, and you can see I'm just repeating the same steps with different images. We did this one, that was quick. You can do a little bit more details. So as you can see, I did not pay attention to the details of the symbols, so you can do it better. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to make thumbnails. So let's try another one. The another way to make a thumbnail is this option here, upload. So you can upload a wallpaper from your PC. If you don't have one, on the Google I'm gonna search nature wallpapers. I'm going to pictures, and from here I'm gonna select any wallpaper I like. Let's say this one. Right click, open image, a new tab, and here go to the upload files. Select the image. Okay, you can just drag image in the white box, drag out, and now you can remove unnecessary objects here. Okay, we have a clear image now. What you can do here, you can go to the text. You can search text. I'm gonna search for the white, so you can choose from here and just drag. Here you can edit some details of your wallpaper. Now, to make it more interesting, you can open this image in Photoshop. Here go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And now you can make it a little bit of blur effect, which I really like. Maybe this is too much. I'm going to the filter, blur again. I'm gonna file save as number 1. I will go to the upload files, upload this image again, this one in this blur effect, and you're gonna see the difference. Okay, you can do it like this, which I did for this video right here, for my relaxing rain sound to fall asleep. So you can do the same. Now, what else you can make with this? You can go to this option to add a page, and now you will get a completely blank page, so you can start from the scratch if you want to do that, of course. Now click on here, more, and you can add photos, stills, or audio, or even background. So if I select background, these are recently backgrounds that I used, so let's search for the background. I really like this one, it's really deep. Now what you can do else, you can go to the, again, go to the more, go to the stills, and from here you can select different type of the combination. So that was a quick tip how to make background from the scratch. I'm leaving up to you to explore this website. That was a quick tip how to make a thumbnail from the scratch, and that was the last option from my quick tutorial. I'm leaving up to you what you can else do. Here you have a lot of the options. Also you can animate here, like you see. And now if you want to save a file, click here and click on download. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.